In today's video, I'm going to teach you using triggers in funnel automations. We'll walk through how to set up and manage triggers inside Funnelish so your automations fire exactly when you want them to. Make sure you're logged into your Funnelish account, then let's get started. First, head over to your Funnelish dashboard. This is your main control center where you can see all your funnels and key tools. From here, look for the option labeled Automations and click on it. This section is where you build rules that tell Funnelish what to do and when to do it, based on your visitors and customers' actions. Once you're inside the automations area, click on Create a new automation. This will start the process of building a fresh automation flow. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control and keeps things simple while you're learning. After selecting that, click on Create to open up your new empty automation. Inside your blank automation, you'll see the option to add a trigger. Go ahead and click on New Trigger. Triggers are the starting points of your automation. They define the exact event that will cause this automation to run. When you click, you'll be presented with 8 different trigger options. These might include things like a new purchase, a recurring payment, or other key actions your customers take. For the research example, select the On Purchase trigger. This means the automation will start whenever a customer makes a purchase. You'll see a toggle that says Run only once per customer. Turn this on if you want each customer to trigger this automation only a single time, no matter how many purchases they make. Leave it off if you want the automation to run every time the condition is met. Next, open the drop-down labeled Trigger on Funnels. Here you choose exactly which funnel or funnels this trigger should apply to. Click on the funnel, or multiple funnels, where you want this purchase-based automation to run. When you're happy with your settings, click Create to save the trigger. Back in your automation view, hover over the trigger you just added. You'll see a small gear icon and a trash icon. Click the gear icon anytime you want to edit the trigger's settings, or click the trash icon if you need to delete it entirely. If you'd like to add another trigger to the same automation, click New Trigger again. This time, choose a different option. For example, recurring payment. This can be useful if you want a separate set of actions to run when a subscription renews. After you choose the trigger type and configure its options, click Create again. You can repeat this process and add as many triggers as you need, allowing one automation to react to multiple different events within your funnels.